I stand in front of my computer screen, scrolling through the endless options of shoes on PhilippinesBrands.com. Luxury designer shoes catch my eye, their sleek designs and high-quality materials calling out to me. I imagine myself strutting down the street in a pair of stilettos, feeling powerful and confident. But then I see the comfort shoes section, and my tired feet ache for relief. I click through the pages, searching for the perfect pair that will cradle my feet in softness and support. I envision myself walking for hours without a single blister or ache, feeling like I'm walking on clouds. Athletic shoes beckon to me next, their vibrant colors and innovative designs promising to take my workouts to the next level. I picture myself running faster, jumping higher, and pushing myself to new limits with the help of these performance-enhancing shoes. As I continue to browse through the website, I realize that PhilippinesBrands.com has something for everyone. Whether you're looking for stylish luxury shoes, comfortable everyday shoes, or high-performance athletic shoes, this site has it all. I feel like a kid in a candy store, overwhelmed by the endless possibilities and choices before me. I can't help but feel a rush of excitement as I add pair after pair to my cart, imagining the ways each shoe will enhance my life and style. I know that with the right pair of shoes, I can conquer the world and step into any situation with confidence and grace. I finally check out, my heart racing with anticipation as I wait for my new shoes to arrive. I know that once they're on my feet, I'll feel like a whole new person, ready to take on whatever challenges come my way. PhilippinesBrands.com has given me the gift of choice, and I can't wait to see where my new shoes will take me.